Who's the last one?
Sometimes
You said you did right, but you're
when
not deal with.
when I twitch, it will mess up the how it comes.
No, I'm just thinking because I heard
I saw the meeting last night.
What's up, where you been?
I'm
ready.
I'm here.
Alright. Yeah, I know. The red ones?
Yeah.
No, this is awesome.
I'm just scared.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, so we're as close as I think we're going to get within the next 10 minutes, and so let's redeem the time. Week 15, boys! Woohoo! 15.
Oh,
So we got this week, and then next week.
and then week.
Real quick, first announcement. We forgot to cover this in RA meeting, but this is the logistics. Library has unique hours. They go to midnight.
Oh.
Correct?
Yes.
But it's quiet hours.
Not YouTube.
Okay? But here's the deal. To make the most of all of that